Hello, I'm from CodeSpeedy, and in this video I'll talk about and demonstrate you the case insensitive dict of request module. To make you explain this, I will need a dictionary first. So here's my dictionary. I have created 3 keys and their corresponding values. So if I simply want to print it, I need to use this print statement, and then inside this print method I have to use my dict and I can mention the key. So you can see if I run this, I will be getting an error like this, name error. This is key error name, because if you look this key name closely, you can see this is in capital letter for the first character, and here I am using all the letters in small. So these are not the same, but to overcome this we can use this from requests dot structure import this. Now once you will import it, you can use this, but if you haven't installed this on your machine, you can write it like this: pip3 install requests and just hit enter. You can see requests requirement already satisfied because I have already installed it. So it's time to use it. Now I'll be creating a new dict just like this, and here I'll be using this method. Now inside this I have to pass my original dictionary, which is my dict. So that's all. Now instead of my dict, I'll be printing this newly created dictionary. So as you can see, all things are set. Now you can run it. I'll not be getting any error, no matter if you change the case of the character. I can change any letter case like this. Even for working at, just simply copy it. Now you can change it like this. Now if you run it, you can see it. I'll not be getting an error. So I can use any case to get the output. So that's all for today. If you want more cool tips and tricks related to Python, don't forget to subscribe this channel and hit the like button.